Welcome to Hope Tube, a place where creativity meets everyday living and where simple wooden ideas turn into beautiful home decor inspiration. In today's video, we explore 100 wooden key holder ideas for wall decor that combine beauty, function, and craftsmanship. A key holder may seem like a small detail in a home, but it plays an important role in daily life. It welcomes you when you enter, organizes your essentials, and adds character to your wall without taking up space. Wooden key holders are loved because they feel warm, natural, and timeless. Unlike plastic or metal alone, wood connects us to nature and gives a sense of comfort. From minimalist designs to rustic handmade pieces, wooden key holders can match any interior style. As you watch this video, imagine how these designs could transform an empty wall into a practical and stylish focal point. Some wooden key holders focus on simplicity. A smooth rectangular wooden board with neatly aligned hooks creates a clean and modern look. These designs work beautifully in apartments, offices, and minimalist homes. The natural wood grain becomes the main decoration, proving that simple ideas often create the strongest visual impact. Light-colored woods like pine or birch make small spaces feel brighter, while darker woods add depth and elegance. Other key holder ideas embrace rustic charm. Reclaimed wood pieces, rough edges, and visible grain patterns give character and history to the design. These key holders feel handmade and authentic, perfect for farmhouse-style interiors or cozy homes. When old wood is reused, it tells a story, turning a practical item into a conversation piece. Small imperfections make each piece unique and special. Some wooden key holders combine shelves with hooks. These designs offer extra space for small plants, photo frames, or decorative items. A small shelf above the hooks creates balance and increases functionality without cluttering the wall. This type of key holder works well near entryways, helping you organize keys, wallets, and everyday essentials in one place. Creative shapes also bring life to wooden key holders. House-shaped designs create a welcoming feeling, especially near the front door. Tree-shaped key holders add a natural and artistic touch, with branches serving as hooks. Circular and geometric designs bring a modern and artistic look, blending wall art with storage. These designs are perfect for people who want their decor to feel playful and expressive. Some designs mix wood with metal. Black metal hooks paired with wooden backboards create a strong contrast that feels modern and industrial. These combinations are popular because they balance strength and warmth. The metal provides durability, while the wood keeps the design inviting. This style fits perfectly in modern homes, lofts, and creative workspaces. Personalized wooden key holders are also a favorite. Designs that include carved names, family words, or welcome messages make the key holder feel special and meaningful. These pieces are often chosen as gifts because they combine practicality with emotion. A personalized key holder becomes part of daily routines while carrying a personal touch. Minimalist floating key holders are another popular idea. These designs hide the hooks within the wood, creating a clean and seamless appearance. From a distance, they look like simple wooden wall art. This style is perfect for people who prefer uncluttered interiors and subtle design details. Some wooden key holders are inspired by travel and adventure. Designs shaped like maps, signs, or arrows add personality and storytelling to the wall. They remind us of journeys, movement, and the importance of coming home. These key holders are especially popular in creative homes and studios. For small spaces, vertical wooden key holders work beautifully. Tall, narrow designs use wall height efficiently without taking up width. They fit well behind doors, in narrow hallways, or in compact apartments. Vertical designs prove that even limited space can be both functional and stylish. Children's rooms can also benefit from creative wooden key holders. Soft shapes, animal designs, and playful colors make organization fun. These designs help teach responsibility while adding charm to the room. Wood remains a safe and durable choice when finished properly. Wooden key holders can also be designed with hidden storage. Small compartments behind the hooks allow you to store spare keys or small items securely. These designs combine clever engineering with elegant appearance, offering both beauty and practicality. Hand-carved wooden key holders showcase craftsmanship and tradition. Detailed patterns, cultural symbols, or natural motifs turn simple wood into art. These pieces often reflect local craftsmanship and heritage, making them meaningful decor elements. As we move through these 100 ideas, one thing becomes clear. Wooden key holders are more than storage tools. They are small design statements that reflect lifestyle, values, and creativity. Whether modern, rustic, artistic, or minimal, each design serves the same purpose while expressing a unique personality. Wood finishes also play an important role. Natural oil finishes highlight the grain and texture. Matte finishes create a modern look, while polished finishes add elegance. Each finish changes how the light interacts with the wood, affecting the overall mood of the space. Placement matters too. A well-placed wooden key holder near the entrance creates a sense of order and calm. It becomes part of daily rituals, helping mornings start smoothly and evenings end peacefully. Small design choices like these improve everyday living. For creators and small businesses, wooden key holders offer great potential. They are affordable to produce, easy to customize, and always in demand. Simple tools and creativity can turn wood into profitable decor items that people love and use daily. As you watch these designs, think about how a small wooden piece can change the feeling of your home. Think about texture, shape, and placement. Sometimes, the smallest details make the biggest difference. We hope this collection of 100 wooden key holder ideas inspires you to decorate smarter, create thoughtfully, and appreciate the beauty of functional design. Wood reminds us to slow down, stay organized, and connect with natural materials in a modern world. Thank you for watching Hope Tube. If you enjoy creative home decor ideas, wooden crafts, and functional design inspiration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More beautiful ideas are coming soon. Until next time, keep creating, keep organizing, and let your walls tell your story.